Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's obviously another video because that's why you guys are watching. Hopefully you guys are watching. I just want to say thank you guys to all the new subscribers out there for following my little Corolla build, and that's obviously what we're going to be working on today. But today we're going to be showing you guys how to DIY some folding mirrors for the Corolla. Yeah, so let's just get it started. We're going to get down low and personal right now. So the mirrors we ended up getting, I went to the junkyard like usual because I like scrolling through the pages and trying to find something cool, which I found a couple cool things. So watch for the next video. It's going to be, hopefully the next video is going to be even cooler than right now. But anyway, back to the story. So we're going to do some DIY folding mirrors because I know some Corollas in like other countries have actual folding mirrors and I can't get my hands on one of those. So we're going to do the next big thing. We're gonna do the next best thing, and we're gonna put on some Camry folding mirrors. So this Camry is about the same generation year models as the Corolla. It actually looks really, it actually matches up with the body, so it doesn't look like it's like out of place or anything, and it actually fits. The only thing we're gonna do is do a little modification to how it actually mounts to the car. So we're gonna go through that. It's gonna be pretty quick little video. So these are gonna be the mirrors right here. They're actually folding, like, of course, that's what we're gonna be doing to the car today, folding mirrors. These have these cool little dongle things right here. They look a lot simple and cleaner than the ones that are in the Corolla. I know the one in the Corolla is like these little like teardrop looking things, but these ones are gonna look a lot better. So that moves the mirror back and forth so you can adjust it. You got the objects closer in the mirror are cuter than you think. But yeah, I went ahead and repainted them already during off camera, just paint, so it's not too hard. So I went ahead and I painted this like trim black just so it looks stock again. I redid this gloss black because it was kind of like faded-ish a little bit. So I did that to both cars, kind of a little bit dusty right now. But so what the difference is between this is the Camry ones, they had actual bolts that go into the door to actually mount this to the door. Unlike the Corollas, they have studs that pop out and then you just put nuts at the end. So what we're gonna do is, I think 2 of the holes actually line up on the door, and we'll probably drill out another hole for the 3rd bolt. But the outside is what I was most worried about. So this triangle piece actually mounts up nicely to the Corolla door, so it looks like it came off the car. Because I know I've tried the sedan version, the ones with like the little hole, the arrow, and when I mounted it, it didn't really look like it goes there. And I just got lucky enough that these actually fit. So these are like the same year model as the Corolla, just off the Camry. So look out, you can find some folding mirrors, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this for cheap. Well, I'm going to be pulling off the mirror since I'm already pulling it off away, or I'm already going to be pulling it off. These trim pieces right here, they're kind of messed up on the other side, like it's peeling. I wanted to kind of like redo it, but I ended up finding some little chromies off of an LE model. So I snagged all 4. I already did the backs because I could do it off camera or whatever, but I'll probably replace those at the same time while I take the mirrors off. So they just look all nice and clean. See these stickers, guys, if you like that, check out my link in my description. I made that sticker, not that one or that one, but I made that sticker. And purchase them online if you like that. I got another sticker right here for all the weebs out there. Got the always broke sticker, so check out that link if you guys like them. So like I said, see that trim right there? I don't know if you can actually see it. It's like, this isn't even the chrome one, that's just the black rubber stuff peeling off. All right, so that's that little teardrop thing that I was talking about. It kind of looks dinky. Go ahead and take that off. Put that down there for now. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. You want to be careful because this is in the way. You could take this off, but I don't have time for that. But I said these ones have actual bolts right there. We're gonna pop those off. So in comparison, this is the mirror. It's pretty, this one's super light compared to the actual folding mirror. So if you don't really care about weight or whatever, this is gonna it's gonna be a cool little replacement for this. But like I said, these ones have these studs that pop through right there. And now we're gonna go and fit up this bad boy. So these holes right here don't actually fit up with these holes right there. These holes for the center part, like right here, are kind of dropped down. I want to say like a 1/4 inch on both sides. These holes on the side don't really match. They're going to be like, I want to say somewhere over here. So what we're going to do is just drill out 2 more holes under this, probably I want to say like a 1/4 inch down. And then once we get those mounted, we can try to find out a spot to get this last 3rd bolt on over here. All right guys, so we went ahead and drilled the holes out. I kind of just drilled these ones down a little bit to the bottom right hand side. So I mounted this up how I wanted it, and I just put a flashlight through there so I could see exactly kind of where the holes were. So once I got those holes drilled, I mounted it, and then I took it back off and measured the bolt hole from this bottom bolt to this side, which it was 1 inch and 7/8 across from center to center bolt. So I just did that, and I just drilled the hole along the side of this part right here, the triangle. There's like a kind of like imprinted right here. So on the other side, I just drilled a hole exactly 1 7/8, and the holes lined up perfectly. I ended up going with like these little neoprene washers. I'll show you when I do the other side. So I got these little neoprene washers. So it's got a little piece of like cushion or rubber right there with the washer, just so I can try to keep this from vibrating if it comes loose or whatnot. I didn't have bolts that were short or long enough, so I ended up just putting some more like washers against this just to get that thickness to go. But now we're gonna get the little plastic trim piece that goes right here and put this on. This is kind of a little bit too big for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just Dremel it out a little bit just to oblong it. So it'll slide on there, and then we'll be good with this side. And I'll try to go more into detail on the other side. So this piece, we're just gonna grind it out a little bit right in there. All right, so that's the piece. I don't know if you can actually see in there. I'll probably get out of focus, but I literally only had to grind it down just a tiny bit. But yeah, so I just did a little bit, just enough. So now we can get it, and it slides perfectly. Well, I'm gonna have to like, it slides on, but so there we go, we got that. You can't honestly really tell that I grinded it out. It's just like a little bit cut, but it looks pretty fine now. And that looks so much cleaner than having this little faded little dongle thing just chilling there. That looks, oh my gosh, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take off that mirror right there. And once I get to like the bolt cutting process again, like drilling it out and stuff, I'll go back, but it's time lapse. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and drill those holes out again. So we're gonna go down like 1/4 inch off to the right-hand side on both of these bolts. And then I'm gonna measure that out again and drill another hole right there. So right here, we're gonna go over 1 inch and 7/8. So from this center like that, probably eyeball it to right there. And you wanna just go on against this line right here, screw, and bore it out just to give it some play. Make sure everything's blown off. Now finishing touch right here. Hell yeah. All right, we got them both on. That's what it looks like right now. Looks pretty sick. I don't know if you can tell a difference between the mirrors, but they're not as round as before and like lanky looking, but they're more square looking if you look at it. I actually like how it looks, and looks more like more beefier, I guess, not so dinky linky, you know. But look at that. Now your boy got some mirrors that actually fold, even though I probably will never use them. They just look a lot better. And now we even got this little thing right here instead of that little teardrop thing that was kind of like faded. It looks a lot cleaner on the inside right there. All right, guys, we're gonna get low for the outro, low and slow, just like my car. So that was just a way to get some folding mirrors if you don't want to go through like trying to find some actual JDM ones. I pretty much picked those up, I think like $6 a mirror at the junkyard, repainted them. I already had paint at home and just drilled out the holes, matched them up, and like the lines line up pretty good. I don't think I showed that in the video, but I'll plug it in really quick right here. Yeah, so you see this outside, I got it pretty much lined up with the weather strip right there. So it looks pretty much exactly how it's supposed to go. A little triangle right there. The bottom's nice and flush right there. But yeah, so it lines up pretty good. There's just a little red paint right there, which is the red of the car. But yeah, it looks sick. It's nice and lined up. The other side came out the same way. Pretty much lined up just exactly the same, just like the little rubber piece. So as you can see, it got it all lined up and it looks pretty good. It looks like it came stock on the car. So that's a pretty easy way just to get some folding mirrors on your Corolla instead of having those dinky, like I said, dinky looking stock mirrors. And it looks better because they're not all faded anymore because I painted them. But yeah, so if you guys are watching this video, I thank you guys for watching it. If you guys want to continue to see more stuff on this channel, you can subscribe. If you want to thumb wrestle, you know, just throw it down there. You can thumb wrestle and throw a like up. I'm working on an actual sedan sticker, like a little sticker. So if you guys want to stay tuned with that, you can go on my bio on my YouTube page and just find my Instagram, follow me, and that's probably better for more like updates, so you don't have to like wait around till my videos come out. So if I have any updates or stuff or cool pictures of the car, I'll let you guys know right there. And yeah, pretty much it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo, what's good, guys? We're gonna do another video today, obviously.